Design is everywhere. It shapes our world and has the power to change everything. But the trouble is, we've been having a decade-long house party, and no one enjoys tidying up. How on earth did we get here? Take a seat. Switch on. Get sharp. Breathe. How do you want to use design to change the world? Which questions do we need to ask? Which problems do you want to solve? We can be the change makers that inspire action. We can disrupt the status quo. We can nudge behaviour. We can tackle problems head on. We can shape systems. And we can help to tip the balance in the right direction, especially if we work together. Living sustainably doesn't have to be a chore, or boring, or complicated. With good design, living sustainably can be fun and simple and beautiful. Upcoming designers, creators, thinkers, makers, let's make sustainable living second nature.